Hi guys, so how do we access modern general practice total triage? Well, as many of you will know, it's done via your desktop, laptop, mobile phones, simply through our website. So I'll show you, have a look. There you go, I've just loaded up a Google page and I'm just looking for our website. There it is. Once you load it up, it's a new website. As you can see, you simply scroll down. This is the form, click on it. Is it an admin query or is it a medical issue? So you click whatever the issue is. Let's say it's a medical issue, you just click that. Obviously, it will warn you if it's anything to do with emergency, you ring 999. Otherwise, you just click this button here. Once you've done that, it will say, briefly describe the medical problem. You can attach something if you want, photo of the area of the body, or nothing intimate, of course, or any blood pressure readings, etc. How long it's gone on for. Describe it basically, so it helps us understand what it is. And have you done anything yourself? What are you worried about? What would you like us to do, etc. And when's the best time for us to contact you? And then after that, continue, fill the form and submit it. And then we will triage and get you the appropriate help within the day, within the few days, within the week, or beyond that, depending on what the issue is. Thank you.